Edo Governor Senator Okpebholo don reveal plans by the administration to revive the abandoned multi-million naira water fountain for Square, Benin City. Say the water fountain before they attract plenty people, especially for festive period, but for the past 8 years, nobody maintain them. Governor Okpebholo contest say Comrade Oshomole government starts the project as part of urban renewal plan, but the project can be neglected by the Obaseki government wey make the multi-million naira project begin rotty. Oga Governor Contalk say in can check the place to see what dem fit do to bring am back to life for Edo people to enjoy.
I remember when Okpebholo was the governor of Edo State, how beautiful this place was. We want to revive it. That is the essence of us coming here and clean up this place so that people can come here for sightseeing. You see, this place has been abandoned for some time now, so we need to revive it.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesoli, TMC TV News.